mga ka-lifey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Shyla Rose. And nandito po tayo ngayon at mag-unboxing po tayo ulit. And at this moment, I choose unboxing another Apple product in which I chose iPhone 12 Pro. And ito po yun. So, there's three different kinds of iPhone 12. iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, napili ko po to na iPhone 12 Pro. There's a big difference between 12 and the Pro and the Max. So, right now, we're focusing on the iPhone 12 Pro. And let's see what's inside. So, mga ka-lifey, pag nabili nyo po to, it separated the charger. So, pag binili nyo po siya, nakabukod po siya. Unlike yung before na nabibili po natin, magkasama na siya in which nakikita natin siya when you open the box. Nakikita na agad natin yung charger inside and what's the accessories inside. And this one is a very, very different packaging. So, now we're opening it. Makikita niyo po dito, everything has a, what do you call this, a lid that will let you see kung paano niyo po buksan yan. There we go. And this is it. And the same thing po, nakikita niyo po yung cord. And meron din po siyang mga ganito. Like the manual thing. Nakikita niyo. And this is it. It comes with protected paper shield. There you go. And this is it. And this is the charger. So, makikita niyo po na magkaiba po yung, ang nakalagay lang po sa loob ng box is yung cord. Makikita niyo po na nakalagay lang yung cord. And this one, yung parang paper, like, yung pin. And the other one is the Apple sticker. Always they have an Apple sticker inside. And the cord. Unlike before, when you see an Apple product, nakikita nyo na po everything inside. The headset and all that. Ngayon, it was separated. So, we're trying to open the box. This one, I think this is the socket for the charger. So, ito lang po. There you go. And this is it. So, separate po yung socket at saka separate po yung pinaka-cord niya. Ang cord lang po yung included in the box ng iPhone. Okay? So, yan lang po. So, the iPhone 12 Pro is different from the iPhone 12 like what I said earlier. Kasi medyo maliit po yung iPhone 12 and mas malaki naman yung iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, this one is 6.7 in size, and the weight of this one is 7.97. And the good thing here, dito na po makikita nyo, there is a 3 camera over here. Yung po sa iPhone 12, makikita nyo lang na dalawa lang po yung camera. And isa yung camera from the front. And this is a very light one. It comes with different colors. It comes with a silver, granite blue, Pacific blue, gold, ano pa ba? Black, and I chose this one, silver. Medyo hindi lang siya ano, pero it's a silver one, black silver. Parang nagbo-black or silver, something fancy. So, maganda rin po yung storage na ito. It comes with a 64GB. Mamimili lang po kayo. 64, 128, 200, 56, or 512. In which I choose the 512 para malaki po yung storage natin. And inverted na po yun inside. So, this is a 12MP rear camera. So, mataas na po yun. And it's a good and bright and impressive light camera. So, try natin siyang i-open up. I don't think it will open. Dahil hindi pa natin siya na-charge. Okay. There you go. It opens up. It opens up. There you go. So, ang tawag dito, ang napakaganda po dito is this is the fastest chip ever na meron ang iOS ng Apple product, okay? Napakabilis po nung chip nito. So, marami po kayong magugustuhan dito and everything that goes around. So, I love it. So, I hope you like it, guys. I'll give you more benefits on this one. Just keep on watching. There you go mga ka-livey. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang unboxing ko with the iPhone 12 Pro. And para po sa mga nagtatanong at magtatanong pa, the price of this one is 1,100 something in here in America. So most probably like 1,200 pero may sobra na po kayo, may sukle. Which is converted into the Philippine money. So mga 57 to 60,000 po ang price niyan. So I'm always saying the price of my unboxing product because po I want you to prepare for it, not just like wanting it at yung kung ano po yung makikita nyo na best part of this na pag-aaksayahan nyo ng pera that is worth it. So don't spend that much money if you're not needing it and if you don't have that much kung hindi naman kaya ng budget. Like what I always tell you everyone, na if it's not worthy, then don't buy it. Kung nakakaluwag naman tayo, then give it a try. So I hope you like it mga ka-livey and I hope to see you guys and keep on watching and I hope you like the unboxing that I did. Thank you!
Yeah.